Forestry Techzz introduces an interesting topic about modern technology in the forestry industry. The main content is about the process of logging and transporting wood, and the tools used to work are many types of large chainsaws, tree cutters and heavy-duty hooks, each designed to serve specific purposes in the logging and transporting process. Giant machines such as cutters, excavators, cranes and dump trucks are important tools of large-scale forestry projects, built to handle heavy loads and perform complex tasks that human labor cannot do. These machines have brought significant progress to the forestry industry and the modernization industry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and the bell icon to follow new videos about extremely dangerous heavy machinery, in a period of modern technology in all aspects. Forestry Techzz hopes you will support.